Welcome. In today's video, we're walking you through how to disable dynamic email in Gmail fully updated for this year. If you've noticed certain emails showing interactive elements like buttons, forms, or expandable sections, that's dynamic email in action. While it can be useful, many people prefer a simpler inbox experience. So, let's go step by step and turn it off. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device, or if you're on a computer, go to Gmail in your web browser. Once you're signed in, look for the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. That's your menu button. Tap or click it to open the menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. If you have more than one Google account connected, select the Gmail account you want to adjust. Each account has its own settings, so it's important to make changes to the specific one where you want dynamic email disabled. Once you're in the settings for that account, scroll until you find the section labeled Dynamic Email. This option controls whether Gmail shows interactive content in emails or not. Now, you'll see a toggle switch next to Enable Dynamic Email. To disable this feature, simply turn the toggle off. When it's off, Gmail will stop showing interactive elements, and your emails will display in their standard static format. That means no embedded polls, no in-message actions, and no hovering buttons, just the plain email content. After turning the toggle off, your changes are saved automatically. You don't need to restart Gmail or your device. From now on, any emails that previously used dynamic features will appear as regular messages, keeping your inbox cleaner and faster to load. And that's it. You've successfully disabled dynamic email on Gmail. This quick adjustment can make your Gmail experience simpler, more private, and less distracting. Perfect for anyone who likes a straightforward inbox. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might want to simplify their Gmail too. Thanks for watching.